Hello everyone, this is Grow Your Mind. And yes, we're all about growth and knowledge. We're experts and teachers, and we only care about serving people to grow their mind. Our focus is to give you the right strategies, the right technique, and a step-by-step plan guiding you to your road to success as someone knowledgeable. Now, whether you are new to a topic or you're advanced, our courses will help you move to the next level. Plus, you can move throughout the course at your pace, which is totally awesome. What is being taught in these courses are all practical information. We don't want you to have useless information that you can't use yourself. And we're happy and honored to have you here, and I promise you that to have the best of us. We're committed to give you all we have in the best format possible, for the content to be clear and easily understandable. Now, let's get into the course.